Hello everyone, this is another China unboxing video. I have 4 packages from China. People who are subscribed to my channel and watching my videos regularly know that I'm buying from China a lot of tools, accessories, very renowned brands. Why from China? You can find cheap and quality items from there and don't pay extra money in your local shops. I am buying from China, getting my orders with shipping forwarder companies. By ship it takes 2-3 months to get them, but if you can plan your orders, nothing problematic to wait for that time. If you have any question how to do that, feel free to ask in comments. Now let's start to unbox these packages and look what we get inside. I don't remember what will I get in each package, because as I mentioned about several months ago, now received them. So, pencil. For this pencil, I think I paid maximum $1, maybe less. I have another one and happy with the quality, it's very useful. The diameter of lids is 1 millimeter, as I remember, or 1.1 millimeter. Very good size for everyday use. The quality of the pencil, not something fancy like Pentel and so on, but for the price, it feels in hand quite well. This this plastic, this metal, and so on. Let's what we get. Lids for, as I remember, 6 peak 2.8 millimeters. This for Pica pencil. For the set I paid $2. As you can see, red, yellow and regular one. Set of 6 pieces. So one more, 3 on 3, 3 red, 3 black. Let's look and see, is there any difference? No, everything the same. 2B, the hardness of the lids and the diameter. So I use them in regular base. So for Pica, similar set cost about $7-8 and maximum $2. I cannot guarantee that the quality is like a Pica, but can say that I use them a lot and the quality is quite well for the application for which I am using. This time I bought 12-piece white one to test. Let's try to open and see how it will be, because this is first time I'm buying the set of white ones. Again 2B, but the diameter is 2 millimeters. It's like this. Let's take a look how it will work. I have a similar pencil like this, the diameter 2 millimeters, so I bought for that. Let's look how it will write on black metal. As you can see, it's not something you can see very well, but you can you can use it. I will use them and come back with my feedback how well these white ones. This is special pods for Festool. Is it Festool ETS-EC 150 sender. This should be set of 2, as I remember, but it's look like they send 1. Nothing problematic, because again for this I paid maximum $2. You put this on your sender, sandpaper on this side, so it keeps your sender pads from getting damaged in short time. So yeah, Festool has similar things, but I think the set of 2 cost about 10 euros. They recommend to use such kind of accessories for the senders to keep the sender pad life longer. So we'll try and see how well they made it. Let's go ahead and see what we have inside this package. Let's see how. As you can see, the sellers generally pack very well the packaging from China. I remembered what inside. This is you can see bench dogs. This from the brand Wera. It's quite good Chinese brand. I have several clamps, different types from them, and very happy with the quality. The plastic feels quality, sturdy one. This 20 millimeters set of 4 of these. If you have MFT type table, you will find this very useful. For the set I've paid maximum $4, so I can for sure recommend them, because I have another set and using them couple of months. And let's look at this style of clamps. Again, Wera, Chinese brand. Forward you are using this. Set again of 4. You put regular clamp here and you can fasten like this. To keep the edge of the board or anything you are gluing. So very nice accessories to have in your workshop, and the price about $5 or $6 for the set of 4s. So if you need such type of clamps, I totally recommend you to buy them. The quality is very nice. This is very soft, thick. You can see rubber, plastic is quality, feels in your hand. So if you are interested, leave a comment. I will provide links for this type of accessories for you. Let's go on. And see what else we have. From the box I can guess that this is another set of screws. No, this is screw locks, like very famous American brand which a lot of people use in regular basis. I will show you. Permatex thread locker, blue one, they have red one. The color is connected with the strength, how it's glued bolts and nuts together. So this small tube cost about $7. From to time you can find a little cheaper or expensive, but for this big tube from China I paid $2.50 for each one. The difference between them, I hope I will find information. They just write high strength. The strength of like gluing bolt and nuts, in their web page they have even information about Newton meters, how strong it will glue bolt and nuts. Here's some information about it. I think this 32 is Newton meters. Let's find out. No, this is medium strength, high strength, again thread locker, low strength. I take 15 milliliters of each of them. Will test. For my use, this will long forever for me if they will not tweak and become non-usable. Quite sad, we'll test and find out. Again, $2-3 for 50 millimeters, and for tube about 6 milliliter, $7. This is not something crucial in workshop if they mention 25 Newton meters, but it can keep, for example, 21 Newton meters. It's not something crucial for me, and overpaying for this small tube I think is not reasonable. So we'll try and tell more in my other videos if you are interested, or asking questions for some time later. I will try to answer. This is package for gloves. For the set of 100, I took, hope this will fit my hand, size L. For the set of this I paid about $5 or $6, but it's not their regular one. I hope I understand Chinese web page correctly. This is heavy duty for machine workers and so on. And this is blue color. I took it one size bigger, XL, if L will be smaller for me. Let's open and see. This one much easier. The thickness of the glove. For first feeling, it's this one look like regular one, nothing so special. Let's take my hand size, if US measurement L, if you are interested. It's a little bit maybe bigger, but not something problematic. So I think the L will be correct for me. Let's look at this black one and see. This one maybe a little bit thicker than blue, because they promised me it will not damage very soon when you work on your car and so on. Again, material is not thick, but not thin like regular ones which I am buying from my local shop. We'll test and can come back And L is very well in my hand. It feels a little bit differently, a little bit thick and sturdy one. We'll test and tell you it is worth to buy such a set of gloves for 100 pieces in each pack. Again, thank you for watching my videos. If you like them, please subscribe to my channel, like videos. It helps me a lot to make new videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.